The Honor Magic Fi 3 is, at the time of writing, the slimmest and lightest book-style foldable ever. But beyond its svelte design, you'll find plenty of other things to get excited about. It's speedy, has two stunning displays, a suite of great cameras, and some handy software features to boot. Honor already offered the world's slimmest folding phone with its impressively sleek Honor Magic V2, but rather than resting on its laurels, the brand is back with an even skinnier book-style foldable, the Honor Magic V3. It's hard to overstate just how slim this phone is. The rear section barely has enough room for its USB-C port. You could easily mistake the Magic V3 for a non-foldable device, and plenty of candy bar phones are actually thicker than Honor's latest foldable. Indeed, the Magic V3 is almost as thin as the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, dimensions are only one part of the puzzle, and with premium pricing, you want performance to match. On that front, Honor has stuffed the latest and greatest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor into the Magic V3, along with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and a sizable 5,150 mAh battery. The cameras look to impress too, with large sensors, wide apertures, and high resolutions across the border. If you're looking at foldable phones, then you obviously care about displays, and Honor aims to impress with both of the panels on the Magic V3. On the outside, there's a 6.43-inch OLED display with a 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and an ample 1060 by 2376 resolution. It's an extremely bright display, able to output up to 5,000 nits at peak, and it's protected by Honor's super tough nanocrystal 2.0 glass tech. I've been daily driving the Honor Magic 6 Pro for a while now, which has a similar coating, and I've been impressed by the lack of scratches despite using it without a protector. Hopefully, the Magic V3 fares just as well in the long term. Honor reckons its glass is up to 40 times more impact resistant than the glass on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The foldable display also boasts a 1:120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and has a resolution of 2156 by 2344 pixels. It's not as bright as the outer display, maxing out at just 1800 nits, but I never had trouble seeing it, even outside on bright sunny days. Honor Magic V3 has three cameras. The main sensor is 50 megapixels, and the telephoto sensor ALSP has 50 megapixels with 3.5x zoom ultra-wide, with PADF has 40 megapixels. The Honor Magic V3 produces poppy-sharp images with vibrant colors and excellent dynamic range. It finds focus quickly, and just like the Magic 6 Pro, it's great at freezing motion for action shots in the daytime. At night, the phone continues to impress with its sharp visuals and wide dynamic range, but motion blur and noise become more of an issue, particularly when using the ultra-wide. Also, the performance of Magic V3 is staining because the Honor Magic V3 is powered by Qualcomm's top-performing chip in 2024, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, and it's paired with a generous 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage. The Honor Magic V3 uses silicon carbon tech to cram a sizable 5,150 mAh battery into its tiny chassis, and it also uses AI-based battery enhancements to increase efficiency. Where this phone does have the edge, though, is with its charging speed. The Magic V3 charges at up to 66 watts with a wire or 50 watts using Honor's wireless supercharger. Yep, that's double the Galaxy Z Fold 6's wired charging speed without needing to plug in. Impressive stuff.